Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk.
Well, hey family, happy Sunday. This is Darlene. I am sitting here working on bracelets. So I already put together 4, and I am making the 5th bracelet to go with this stack. So this is what the 4 looks like. And I am going to be using, I'm going to try these beads and see what they look like. Not really sure what it's going to come out looking like, but we're going to try these. And then some of these 9mm brown wood beads. And I am using the 1.5mm stretch cord only because I've already pre-stretched this off the recording. The reason why I'm using the 1.5 is because I'm using bigger beads. And as you use bigger beads, as you know, they're heavy, a little bit heavier. So I'm going to use my wire spacer. And it might sound a little funny because I do have a cough drop in my mouth. So I'm going to use a couple of these little small bead bones and then see what that looks like. And then I'm going to add these beads right here. I've had these beads a really long time. I'm not sure where I got them from, but we're going to go ahead and try them out, see what it looks like. So far, I like the way that looks. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and surround these beads with these brown beads. I figured it didn't make sense to make all the bracelets on the video because that would have made for a really long video. What, about 30 minutes maybe? I already like the way it looks so far. Two, 4, 5. Two, 4, 5. Let's put 6 on each side. See what we got. Oh yeah, that's real jazzy. Look at that. And this is a stack. These are all going to come together. I'm going to put a couple more beads on here. On each side. I'm going to save one that has the biggest hole for the end, and that's this one. You can see the hole is real big. So we'll keep that one for last. So we can put the knot in that hole. Two, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And then we're going to put one last bead. The one that has a real big hole. Stretch it. And then we're going to go ahead and tie it nice and tight. And because this 1.5 is thicker, you got to really pull the cord to stretch it and thin it so that the knot will be secure. And that's why I waited to put the bead on that has a really big hole so I could tie it as many times as I want. because no matter how big the tie is, I could still hide it in a bead. I'm gonna double wrap it. Because the more you pull the cord, you can see it thinnens. And then that's what you want. It thinnens and it ties the thin area as it stretches. So I'm gonna put one more. Actually, I'm gonna do one more. Pull it nice and tight. Go ahead and cut. So this video so far is like almost 6 minutes, and had I made all the bracelets, probably would have been about a 30-minute video, a little bit longer. So I like the way it came out. I like the way the beads look on it. And this will be the last bracelet for the stack. So it's a 5-stack bracelet. No charms, just like this. And I'm not putting any charms on it because I just like the way it looks. It looks like like a stack that shouldn't have charms. So it's just meant to dress up the arm without any charms on it. These big beads right here, I got these from the Dollar Tree, the big brown ones right here. They didn't have anything else in there that I like, but this was a couple weeks back. I don't know what they have in there now, but I did get these in there, these big brown beads. And then this is what we got. I like the way this looks, especially this one. It really tops it off. Makes it look very jazzy. Anyway, Darling Night for Jerry by BDK. Got a lot of new subscribers. Want to thank you guys for hitting the subscribe button and also hitting the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Also, all your comments, be it here on YouTube and also on Facebook, in the Facebook group, and also on my personal Facebook page. Some of you guys found me over there. We're friends on the Facebook platform. And all the get wells and all that good stuff. I'm not really sure what's going on. I know it's a head cold, and I feel a little bit better. Not 100%, but a little bit. It's still got my throat and stuff where the more I talk, it makes me want to cough. The runny nose part, like a little, like a child running around here, nose running and carrying on. But I should be well in a couple of days. I am drinking a lot of liquids and taking medication and doing all that other kind of stuff. You know, stuff I should be doing. And drinking electrolytes, taking sea moss, like doing all kind of stuff, you know. And hopefully one day this week I'll feel 100% better, right? Hopefully. But I really, really like this. But anyway, thank you guys all for subscribing and all that good stuff. Alrighty? And Darlene Nye for Jerry by BDK. You guys let me know what you think about these. I really like them. And it's like, what of mine that I make that I don't like, right? It's like, Darlene, you like everything. I know, right? Don't tell nobody. Okay? We'll talk.